Cleaning the ocular protection with soap and water. During this pandemic, it is important to be attentive in how we clean our ocular protection. Prior to entering the room, prepare a new mask which will be used after cleaning of the ocular protection. Prepare a bag as well for your cleaned ocular protection. Make sure your bag is well identified. Bring isopropyl alcohol near the area where the ocular protection will be cleaned. Perform hand hygiene and don the personal protective equipment needed to enter the room as per signage on the patient's door. When you're ready to leave the room. While still in the room, remove your gloves and your gown and perform hand hygiene. If hand sanitizer is not available in the room, first remove your gloves, then your gown, and perform hand hygiene immediately upon leaving the room. Exit the room with your mask and ocular protection on, then perform hand hygiene. Don your gloves. Clean the surface on which you will place your ocular protection and disinfect it with isopropyl alcohol. This area should not be immediately next to the sink to prevent the surface from getting wet during cleaning. Remove your gloves. Go to the sink, and if there's no magic eye, turn the water on. This is how to remove your ocular protection. If you have goggles with fastening elastics, use your non-dominant hand to hold onto the side of your goggles. With your dominant hand, pull on the elastic and remove your ocular protection. If you have goggles with arms, use your non-dominant hand to remove your goggles using the arm of the goggles. If you have a visor, remove the visor by pulling on the elastic with both hands. Run the water on both sides of your ocular protection. Squirt soap in your hands and rub all surfaces of the ocular protection using both hands. Make sure that the soap covers properly the whole surface of the ocular protection. If you have a visor, avoid soaking the elastic and the foam as much as possible. Run the water on both sides of your ocular protection to remove all soap residues. Use paper towel to hold the ocular protection, then dry the inside of your ocular protection with another piece of paper towel. Complete drying of the outside, the edges, the foam, and the elastic if it is wet. Then discard the paper. If you have a visor, you may use a third piece of paper to dab the foam if it's very wet. Place the ocular protection, cleaned with soap, on the clean surface. Prepare a non-sterile 4x4 soaked in 70% isopropyl alcohol to disinfect your ocular protection. If there's no bottle of 70% isopropyl alcohol available, you can use the 70% alcohol swabs. Let the ocular protection dry on the clean surface. Alternatively, you can place it in your paper bag to dry. Remove your mask and perform hand hygiene. Don a new mask.